Hello people, I'm Slim, and you're watching the Slimbob YouTube channel. Welcome back, guys. I know it's been a while. It's been a few months. We had Thanksgiving, we had Christmas, New Year's, Super Bowl. Been a few months since I posted my last video, but it's hard to work on the car audio when it's cold outside, so I apologize, but I've been working on cooler stuff. Got a studio going. I wanted to throw a video out there so that you guys could at least see that I'm still here. I'm still doing things. Kind of introduce you to the new studio. I'll be doing some unboxings. I've got a box coming here in a few weeks that we'll be doing an unboxing. It's kind of a mystery box kind of thing. I'll be doing some reviews on some different products here. When we get new pieces for the Accord build, we'll be bringing them here, checking out why I bought them, why that's what we want to do. We're going to be checking out cool new toys. Obviously, the audio or the video or the lighting or things like that for the channel. You guys aren't going to see that. That's a lot of stuff on the backside that I've just been trying to build the channel with. But you're not going to see that. I'm not going to show you the lighting systems or the tripods or the tables or anything like that. What else do we got? I did want to say that if you've been liking the videos, you enjoy watching what I do, you want to see more of it, I encourage you highly, hit the like button underneath the video window here. Make a comment. Tell me some of the things that you like. Tell me some of the things that you don't like. The liking, the subscribing, the comments, that grows the video. Huge. So if you can do me a favor, hit those buttons. Make the comments, even if it's, I hated your video, I loved your video, why do you always wear that shirt? Anything like that. Put it down there. That shows YouTube that you're engaging in my video, and it's going to spread it more. The last video with Creative Car Audio, that one actually did really, really good, and thank you guys for watching that. Thank you for tuning in, checking it out. I'm a new channel. I don't have many viewers. I don't have many people out there waiting to see the newest content come out for me. So I really appreciate seeing everybody go look at those videos. Speaking of Creative Car Audio, I've got some more cars that they're building that I'll go out and I'm going to get some video on those. Throughout the summer, they're going to do some show and shines. They're going to do basically impromptu car shows. You can take your car out there, show it off, show your system. In some cases, they'll have a DV meter out there. So I'm going to be going out and I'm going to be getting a lot of video, checking out a lot of cool different cars and showing you what's out there, showing you some of the things that people are already doing. Talked to a friend of mine the other day and he said, "Oh, you're doing the car audio. I didn't think people were still into that." Man, there's a whole community of people out there that are still doing it, that are still passionate about car audio, still passionate about sound quality or SPL or just putting money and time and love into their vehicle. So share the videos, get them out there, share them with everybody else that that loves their car and that it's their hobby, it's their passion. That's ultimately the goal here. It doesn't matter if you're going to end up on a magazine cover. It doesn't matter if you're going to be the fastest or you win trophies. If it's what you like to do, if you're passionate about it, if it makes you feel good, if you make it yours, that's what this channel is about. Turn it into what you want it to be. It's about the love. It's about the passion in the sport, in the hobby. So I really appreciate the love that you guys have shown to the channel thus far. I don't have millions of subscribers by any means, but the more it gets shared, the more likes, the more comments, the more subscriptions. Doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button down underneath the video. Click the little thumbs up button. Click the thumbs down button if you don't like what I'm doing. I'll change it up. Doesn't matter to me. But trying to put what I can back into the channel. If you like it, let me know. Enough of that. don't really have anything else. I just wanted to throw a video out there real quick and let you guys know that I haven't given up. There's just been a lot of stuff going on at the end of the year, the beginning of the year. Work's been really busy. I do have a full-time job. I don't just do this for fun, or I don't do this as a, let me try that again. I do have a full-time job, so I only do this in my off hours and in the evenings and weekends and things like that. And when the weather's bad, it's back to playing Minecraft. So, again, thank you for everything. I'll be putting out a new video here, hopefully in the next week or two. We'll get the subscription box in and we'll open that up and we'll see what's in it. Hopefully you guys like that. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Otherwise, till next time, we'll see you later. Thanks. If you haven't seen my other videos, here and here, click on them, check them out. Share them with your friends, make fun of them, I don't care. Just go watch them.